Welcome to the Smart PR Approval mobile app demo from Algorithm. First, we would like to show you all the deployment models that our organization supports. Current app that we are trying to show the demo is using the deployment model number 2, where the mobile app is using the connecting to MCS. From MCS to Oracle EBS, you're connecting through REST-based protocol. So all in all, we are using REST-based APIs from MCS to Oracle EBS, and from MCS to the mobile cloud service, MCS to mobile app. And we have support a few other deployment models as well. If the customer, as a customer, you are not willing to purchase MCS, if you don't need it, we could directly connect you to Oracle EBS through open source Apache REST server. And the third model is where we could accelerate your development time using a mobile application framework. And then if you have legacy systems, or if you are trying to develop custom applications, we could develop them using the Caprisa platform. With the Caprisa, we could develop apps in a few days instead of a few months. And we also help you customize the free apps provided by Oracle. So we'll just look at the business benefits of the purchase requisition approval application. So this app, you could streamline the supply chain with the instant decision making, and your buyers need to respond. The challenges with currently exist are, buyers need to respond to fast changing supply chain requirements, and the modern supply chain has to meet the demands of this on-demand manufacturing, and managers actually right now lack a real-time tool to connect to Oracle EBS. So the solution what we have to overcome all these challenges is a smart PR approval app. In this app, the managers can see their purchase requisitions with a very simple user experience and everything in real time. And they could also receive notification instantly and review all the purchase requisition details, both at the header level, item level, and also see all the attachments. And app integrates directly with the Oracle EBS, and in the middleware there is no data staging or data storing or any types of manipulations whatsoever, whether with the business rules or data. And so as a result, the managers can make decisions very quickly, either approve, reject, or delegating to colleagues. They could do that in real time. And the value drivers you can achieve with this app are accelerated decision making. You could streamline the supply chain and reduce all the manual processing costs like errors and the time lag. And overall, you could improve productivity. All right, so now I will get to the mobile app. I will connect the mobile app to the desktop to show you how the app looks like. And okay, my mobile device is connected to the desktop, so now we can see. So I'm launching the mobile app from my phone. So here on the login screen, you have two buttons. One is for login, and another one is the demo. So if you could install the application, and without connecting to a real-time EBS system, you could go to the demo mode and check out all the functionality. So here, this is all the test data. It's not connecting. You cannot approve, reject, or you cannot click on any of these buttons with the actions. But you could see all the functions. All right, I will come out of the demo mode and I will log into the mobile app in real time. We will first see what we have there. So network is a bit slow today. So right now we have one open PR and the PR number is 16013. So let me note it down. It's 16013, and I'm not going to touch this one because we would like to create a new PR in EBS right now. So I will switch over to my colleague Prashant. He will show us how the PR is created in EBS system. Prashant, I am passing you the presenter role. Please show us how you're going to create a PR, and we will come back to the mobile app and see the created PR. Sounds good? Okay, I can see your screen. Okay, we're logging into the EBS system. So we're going to Requisitions tab and click on Requisitions. So our operating unit is Vision Operations. So we will give a description. Prashant, one line item should be good enough. We would like to just speed up. Don't create multiple line items. So let's give the quantity, and so we'll select the date, and we will give the currency as well. We'll select the supplier. So here what we had, did just a while ago was trying to create an attachment for the purchase requisition. So the attachment flows to the mobile app. We have seen it in the attachments section. So the functionality is built in, getting the attachments. So we'll just see the requisition summary. Really brief. If you look at the approval status here, it's incomplete. And Prashant, I think one attachment is fine. So what is the PR number? It's 16014. Okay, pass the control back to me. So we are submitting the PR for approval. Carly Milton is submitting it. If you look at the timestamp, you can see that it's 10:15 Eastern time on 11th April. Okay. So in the action history, I think John Smith hasn't taken any action yet, so that's why we see that it's empty. So we will log into the mobile app again. And right now we should be seeing two PRs. One that was there before we created this demo, and the one that we just created. So the 16014 is the one that we created just a while ago. I am selecting that PR. As you could see here, you see all the header level details in the PR list page. This is the first page, like a home page for this app. And I click on the arrow here, and I see all the line items in the action history, request for information, and the attachments. Since we have only one line item, we will see only one line item. And right now, I would like to, I can show you the action history here, what you have here. So Milton Farley submitted the PR, and John Smith did not take any action on it. So that's why you see that the action history is shown as pending. And if you could also request for more information using this tab here. I'm not right now processing the request for information. So I go back, and we already have seen the attachments functionality. And you will see the list of all the attachments, and the attachment, whatever we created, it will be opened. So right now I'm just saying, okay, I'm going to select the approve. I'm going to click on the approve button. So once the approve action is processed, the PR will be removed from the mobile app, because the PR actually is processed, because John Smith has approved the PR, so it's no longer relevant. And now is the time to go back to EBS and see the status of that PR that was just approved. So Prashant, I am giving you the presenter role. Please show us the PR in the EBS system. So it's 16014 that was just approved. Earlier it was in process status. So the other in process status PR is the one that we have currently in the mobile app. And here also, right next to John Smith, you see that the action is approved. It's processed. And the timestamp, you could see that the date, it's the 11th of April 2017. And it's at the other one was created at 10:15. Then it was created at 10:15, but it was approved at 10:20, because we took 4 or 5 minutes to review the mobile app functionality. All right, that concludes actually our demo. Prashant, please give the control back to me. So before we conclude, if you are interested to learn more about our solution, you could download this application from the Oracle App Store, and then you could try the demo mode. You could also schedule a Q&A call or a consultative phone call for 30 minutes without any charge. My email ID is rajp@algorithm.com, and So we have locations in India and here in Chicago, Dallas, and Charlotte. And so please stay in touch and follow us on the social media. We are on Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Google+. And you could call us at 318-235-5720. Thank you.